I'm going to show you how to make the perfect sushi rice on the gas hob or electric hob that you have at home. Washing the rice is the first step. I like to do this 2 or 3 times to remove the excess starch. For this recipe, you add 330 milliliters of cold water and leave it to stand for 15 to 20 minutes for better results. You can now bring the water to a boil on a high heat. Remember to keep the lid on and watch it closely. It's only going to take a few minutes with that small amount of water, and as soon as it's boiling, turn the heat down. Make sure you're sticking close to it, because as soon as that water's gone, you need to turn the heat completely off and allow it to stand for at least 10 minutes. You can now remove the lid and give the rice a bit of a stir. It's still really hot and sticky, but we're almost done. Transfer the hot sticky rice into preferably a wooden bowl to let it cool down, and cover it with a cloth. Making the rice wine mixture for your rice is pretty easy. So 5 tablespoons of rice wine, and you need something to sweeten it up, honey or syrup. I like to use syrup, and you're going to add a tablespoon of that and also a tablespoon of brown sugar. Mix the solution together until all of the granules have dissolved, and once your rice is completely cooled down, you can pour all of the solution over your rice. Make sure you chop into the rice gently, so it's just a bit of a technique that basically ensures that all of the rice is completely coated by your rice wine solution, and then we're done.